Hey friends, and welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Today I have a ton of speed cleaning motivation for you all in today's deep clean with me. There's lots on the to-do list, and I also have a small cleaning products haul to show you in today's video. So if you are ready to turn this house from messy to clean, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new, and let's get cleaning. So I always like to start off in the kitchen when I have an all-day cleaning day. It is my domino chore for sure. If you are new here, let me know what room you like to start in when you're cleaning. I love hearing all of your cleaning routines.
I'll be dreaming about this till the end of the day. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with like I'm better off with kinda used to these battlegrounds. Stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off. Change me, got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better, I don't know why. You make me wanna do better, you make me wanna do better, I don't know why, I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you.
As you can see here, I am spraying quite a lot on the stovetop. This Method all-purpose cleaner has been watered down too many times now, I can't even remember, but I am so glad that I went shopping, and I am so excited to show you that cleaning product haul later in the video.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked.
So now that the kitchen is looking back in order and a little cleaner, I wanted to give the sink a good deep clean, and I mentioned briefly in last week's video about this TikTok cleaning hack that I came across to take the top of your drain off to clean it. Now ours was filthy, so I am so happy that I found this cleaning hack, but I do need to share a little disclaimer here. People's opinions on this cleaning hack are very 50-50 because some people say it made their sinks leak and they had to call a plumber afterwards, and then some say that they have been doing it for years with no worries and no leaks. In our case, it's sealed back up perfectly, and I was just careful not to rip off the silicone on the parts of the drains. Just here, when I lift this up, you will see that it has like a lot of like black around it. Not all of that is gunk, a lot of that is old silicone. I did manage to clean it up quite a bit, but at the same time I had to leave quite a bit of that on as well. But I will say, while you have this top part out and you're cleaning the drain, it is loose. So if you are going to be running water down this sink while you're cleaning this, you do want to have towels underneath your sink, or if anything, you probably don't want to be storing your paper towels under the sink while you do this because they will all get wet. But I am going to deep clean under my sink anyway in today's video, so that is going to take care of any water that actually made it through while I was deep cleaning these sinkholes.
Things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, love, love.
As you can see here, the silicone isn't the cleanest, but it's so old and it's really the best that I could do without actually replacing the silicone altogether. But it's so simple to screw back in. You just line it up center with the pipe under the sink. With the second sink, I did have to hold both at once while I was screwing it back in, but there's just a big screw that comes out of the center of both of them, and you just pop that back in and tighten it with a butter knife. Just make sure that you do it super tight to avoid future leaks. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other drain, which is not quite as filthy as the first one, as we do use that side mostly for rinsing the dishes after they are already clean, but it was still definitely in need of a good deep clean. If you do try this TikTok cleaning hack at home, I would love for you to tag me in your before and after photos over on Instagram at Katrina Marie _YouTube, or if you have done it already, comment here down below and let everyone else watching here today know your opinion on this hack. I would love to know which side of the fence you're on, whether you think that it is genius or whether you think it's just a major risk and not worth trying at all.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Shoulda known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
So as you can see here, once I take everything out, there is a small amount of water that got through while the sink was pulled apart, but I haven't had one single drop of water make it through since. But some people haven't been so lucky with this cleaning hack, so definitely do it at your own discretion. Some even went as far to say that a plumber actually made up this cleaning hack so that he could get more work for himself.
Remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. Singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep, and you wanna.
So I thought I would throw in just a small cleaning products haul in today's cleaning video. I don't normally do this because I do have my main channel where I share my shopping hauls on, so I thought I would just add this one in because it made sense for this channel anyway. But I just grabbed our usual Method all-purpose in the grapefruit and also the Method all-purpose in the lavender scent. We always grab these ones, and if you've seen my videos the last few weeks, you will see that I basically just filled up my lavender one with water over and over and over again, and I'm basically just cleaning with water. So this cleaning product haul was needed really, really badly. But I also grabbed a couple new ones. So I grabbed this Method foaming tub and tile cleaner. So this one's meant to remove soap scum, cleans mold and mildew stains. I'm not sure how well that's going to work, but I grabbed one of those to try out. That one's in a eucalyptus mint scent, so that should be really nice for the bathroom. I also grabbed one of these Method anti-bac in the sunny citrus. I have had this one before a very long time ago, but this is a kitchen cleaner, tough on grease and grime, and I really do like this one too. So I thought I would grab a little bottle of that. They only had the small one available at Big W where I went shopping, but that's fine because I do normally just use the purple and the pink Method in my kitchen anyway. I also grabbed 3 of these White King toilet gel hospital grade toilet cleaner things. These came in a 3-pack for $9, so that's why I grabbed the 3 of those, so we should have plenty of that for a long time now. I also just grabbed some of these lemon scented tidy bags for our kitchen bin. I also needed to grab another damp rid for our ensuite bathroom in the main bedroom. We don't have a window in there. We do have a fan, but I do just like to keep this in there as well because it does pick up quite a lot of moisture, so they're definitely worth it in my opinion if you don't have a window. And then I also thought I would grab one of these blind cleaners. I have seen these forever, but I've never tried them out. I think our blinds are going to need a good scrub first because they haven't been cleaned in many years, so I think they'll need a good clean first. But then I thought I would grab this just for like a once a week clean, just to maintain it once we give them a really good deep clean. And then I also just grabbed a packet of 15 of these masks. Sometimes I like to use them when I'm cleaning, especially when working with something like this, but I also just needed some masks anyway. With the current situation we're in, you can never have enough of these in the house. So I'm going to go ahead and put these away and get back to cleaning.
We'll be young forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
hope that you all enjoyed today's deep clean with me video. If you're new here, I do hope that you decide to stick around and subscribe. Don't forget to leave this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below saying hi. All of those things help my channel out a ton and I really appreciate it. But I hope you all have a great week and I'll be back really soon with some brand new cleaning motivation.